Hello.
Happy morning, happy afternoon, and happy evening to all my Nanbas and Nanbis. In this video, we're gonna talk about 4 things, guys. Why did we choose the word Singam as our coupon code? And today is the last day for the discount. And about the mind and company journey. And the last one, really exciting one, we wanna have a watch party with all of you. So, why code Singam?
Hello.
Dira, wait for some time. Most of you would have already seen the promo. We are coming on Vijay TV in a show called the Startup Singam, and that is why we gave the code Singam. And today is the last day where you can use this code and get the discount in the CA classroom as well as Dira Test website, guys. And why Miko journey? Karthik sir will talk about that.
So hope you guys got the idea that you have last day sale today. Now coming to Mind and Company's journey, and also come watch the episode with us today, guys. So Mind and Company journey was not very easy. It's been 4 years since we actually started the company. 85 plus team members. We invested almost 25 plus lakhs of the money that we have from our big four earnings and all other earnings that we had. And we worked for 1,000 plus hours, countless nights without sleep. And then we had so many rejections. We pitched in so many places. It was not easy, but every rejection I took it as a stepping step, and we kept going on. And now finally we are on Vijay TV. Please watch the episode. But if you miss it, no worries. You can also watch it on Disney Hotstar, guys. Just go to Disney Hotstar, or now called Geo Hotstar. Go for the show called Startup Singam. And over here, episode number 4 is our episode. So watch that and let us know in the comments how the whole episode was. And lastly, you are invited for screening of the 4th episode of Startup Singam. Both of us, myself and Nivedamam, will be there. It's happening today between 4:30 to 6 p.m. It is exclusive only for CA students and followed by snacks. It is happening at A&M classes. There will be a Google form in this description of this thing. Go fill that and you can come and attend. Free walk-in. We'll also be giving you snacks and few goodies of mental health, Mind and Company. And lastly, at any time if you wish to work with us in any capacity, feel free to DM us. You have our number. You can work with the CA classroom, Dira Test, Mind and Company, or also join us articles with us. Anything that works for you at any time in the future, feel free to reach out, guys. Thank you so much.
So excited to watch it with all of you. I hope all of you watching this video, and if you're in Chennai, do make it. And sorry for all the disturbance. We didn't have a way to make this video, so he was running around for a while and shouting into the mic. I hope all of you had fun.
Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.
Thank you.